Assalamualaikum students. Our video is on physical development activities and games that are designed for playgroup students. These activities and games are important for their physical development. Before starting, say tasmiya with me. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First activity is sponge squeezing. Give the wet sponge to toddler or children and ask them to squeeze. The next activity is to ask to children to sit on a right posture. It is the right sitting posture. This is the pegging activity. Give some pegs and basket to children and ask them to pegs 30 pegs on a basket or 4 pegs on a basket or 5 pegs on a basket. Give them a number and ask them to these pegs on the basket. The next is the pencil gripping activity. Give children some colors, some markers and ask them to draw rough lines so these are making their grip on pencils. The next activity is classroom arranging activities. Get the children involved in arranging the classroom. If the children are at home, ask them to arrange their study rooms, arrange their bags, arrange their accessories, arrange their living room, arrange their bed, so that it enhances their arranging capability. For shoelacing activity, provide toddlers with shoes or any flashcard of shoes and ask them to make a lace on shoes. In folding napkins activity, give some napkins to children and ask them to make a design of napkin. In opening and closing of lids activity, provide children with some bottle, container or jars so that they open and close their lids. In climbing the upstairs activity, take the children near the stairs and ask them to upstairs. For hockey game activity, take the children to ground and provide them a hockey and a hockey ball. Then ask them to play a hockey game. Thanks for watching and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.